So today I am unboxing a little box from Hermes, which I purchased online on Monday, and it arrived today, and it's Thursday today, so it normally takes a few days to arrive. I'm based in the UK and they sent the item from France, so when it's quicker it takes 2 days, and this time it took 4 days. So let's open the box here. It normally comes in this white little box with the Hermes picture on it, which is really cute, and here's the orange box. I purchased a Petit H charm, which always comes with cute little thing on the bowl. It's hot this time. The color is brown, red, dark red kind of color. And when you purchase an item online, if you tick a box saying this is a gift item, then you can have the message card as well, which I show you. You can type in the message card if it's a gift to someone, or you can just leave it as a blank, and you can probably write the message on your own. It's nice embossed Hermes message card. And what I like about this Hermes delivery, they use a box with like a elastic band, so the item doesn't move and really protect it. Now let's open this little box here. So with Hermes Petit H series, you can't choose the color of the item, so you don't know what you're gonna get until you actually receive it. So I'm really excited what color I'm gonna get this time. It's wrapped with a white tissue paper, and wow, it's a yellow. It's so lovely. Look at this, I'm so excited. Can you see the color here? It's a yellow, and this side is maybe dark red, and the string is silk, colorful silk. Oh, it's so cute. Yellow dachshund and the dark red. So this side has got the Hermes, embossed Hermes emblem on it. I'm not sure if you can see it. Wow, this is so cute. I'm happy with the color.